floor. Wait a minute, luxury. Sorry. Hey guys, hi everyone, it's me, it's your girl Zinni. Welcome back to Discover Winnipeg, Canada. So happy Valentine's Day in arrears, guys. I know as of the time you'll be watching this video, it might be after Valentine, but it's currently Valentine's Day Eve today, and I will be reviewing the Superior King Room Inn at the Fox. I mean, Inn at the Fox is one of the most popular hotels in Winnipeg. I think it would be considered a semi-luxury hotel. So today we'll be reviewing what the standard, the Supreme King Room looks like. Just in case if you're perhaps looking to ever have a staycation or a vacation or whatnot at the inns at the Fox. Let's go, guys. Let's start from the general view. This is the general view. Let's start from the bathroom. Hey! So the bathroom space is quite spacious, and you can see here the shower. The shower room. A reasonable space considering it's not a deluxe room. I think that shower size is quite reasonable, but for someone very tall, this will obviously not fit, but I feel like it's quite reasonable though. Of course, it has a shower curtain. Right here it has this dressing mirror over there with the standard hotel supplies. We have lotion, bath shower, the shampoo, purifying conditioner. And then over there is the vanity kit. I love this. It's a hard glass, so yeah. It's pretty breakable, but the hard glass. And then there is the mirror. This is definitely a shaving mirror, and you can find a 2-spot socket over there, just like any standard washroom. And of course the towels, and yeah, pretty decent. So this is the external view. Now let's head over to the main room. And it's like the ice spot. And some glasses over there, teacups, and some tea, creamier, and whatever that is. And here you have your food and beverages, Pringles, and some candies, some Toblerones and whatnot. So this one. So of course the prices are here. If you pick any of them, you get to pay for it. So but prices. And all of those, everything. The bin below. So this is a king-sized bed. Let me see. Okay, I mean the bed is not bad. Yeah. And then from the bed you have this little sitting area that looks like a business zone. I like it though. So perhaps maybe you have some visitors in your room, you can have them sit here, you can like do your work here, whatever. You can just, you know, whatever you want to do, you can do it over there. I like whatever it is going on here. And then there's also like an extra this looks like a footstool, but you can perhaps also sit here. For my ladies, you can do your makeup here as well, for people who don't like doing their makeup in the bathroom. So, and then this is for the room service. Hey. Hi guys. And then of course, let us head over to the views. Oh my god, I love that from some of the rooms you can literally see the Human Rights Museum, you can see the famous Winnipeg sign, that over there. It's an amazing view. Look at that. I love the views. So I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it that well, but I am currently on the 5th floor. So yeah, this is why it looks quite far. But yeah, this is the 5th floor. So if you want to get this view, be on the 5th floor. That is the Museum of Human Rights over there. Can you see where my hand is? That is. So guys, that's pretty much what the room looks like. This is in at the Forks. This is what the Supreme King standard. Anyways, I'm gonna put the name of this room. I'm gonna write it on the video. So this is what it looks like, and I'm also going to leave the price of the room as well. What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comment section. By the way guys, before I forget, what do you do? Please feel free, if you're watching this video and you haven't liked, stop what you're doing right now and hit that subscribe button, like the video. These are just simple ways to support the channel. I really appreciate. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. For my new subscribers, you are absolutely welcome. My name is Zini and this is Discover Winnipeg, Canada, where I share videos of interesting places, people, whatnot, events happening in Winnipeg and hopefully soon around Canada and maybe, who knows, the world. So guys, I really appreciate everyone who has supported this channel, who has subscribed, who is thinking of subscribing, who will subscribe, who will like, who will leave me their opinion, their comments, their thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Have you ever been to this hotel? Would you be booking here for maybe that birthday, your anniversary, whatnot? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye guys. In at the Fox. This is a luxury boutique hotel located in Winnipeg, Canada. The Inn at the Fox opened in June 2004. It's a 106-room boutique hotel located at the historic confluence of the Red and Assiniboine River. One of the most location significance of this hotel is that it is situated in the Fox. The Fox is a 6,000-year-old location used by the indigenous people of Canada, fur traders and railway pioneers. Some other interesting facts that you might want to know about the Inn at the Fox, that is at the center of the city where the Assiniboine River meets the Red River, is that it offers history, culture, authentic shops and local food, connecting to the natural prairie lands that inspire a reinvented luxury boutique hotel experience here in Winnipeg. The style of the hotel is inviting, upscale and impressive. The rooms offer artistic ambience. It flows through every part of the hotel, from the rustic Canadian dining experience, which we didn't show here, perhaps some other time. The dining experience is called at Smith's. It also has some natural warmth of their River Stone Spa, which is something I explored outside this particular video as well. So these are just some of the interesting things that you might want to know about the Inn.